Nigikoro kiria kiharirio ni ANYITEMI matiganite ruhongeini rwa KIGINA na itanya ria kwaririria ngarama ya muturire kuria ruhonge ruru rukinyiriirie ngarama ino gukorwo ihandite wega gukiringithanio na matuko ma hau kabere. Ona gutuika thirikari irauga Akenya ni mahuthiirwo ni ngarama ya muturire ica ikuhi kuria bengi nene iriga kuga ngarama ino igwite na gikiro kionekete muthia miaka 17 mihituku. Mukenya agatigwo na murugamo ngurani riu thirikari ikiendwo kuheana utheri.
Those who earn very little or very less would spend much of their earnings on food items. And so, when the prices of food go up, they would definitely feel the effect of that by spending basically everything on food.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene ruhongeini rwa ndari rwa KNBS bururi-ini McDonald Obotho, Mukenya aya gukorwo araikia maitho make mwena uria hatererekete oriri kuri na maundu mangi mamuhuthiire riu akiuga maundu mothe no makwagirira.
These numbers that are being released, those are average numbers, but when it comes to individual groups, particular groups, if you are to rate Kenyans by income levels, then this CPI the prices would be affecting us differently. So it is not uniform. Some will feel the effect more than others. And that's what it is. At no given time will it be uniform.
Thirikari ya Kenya koneka kuhocia mwihoko wayo ni arianirira ria muthenya wa ira ria president mweru wa America Donald Trump rigamaini na weji wa maguta riu ikinya riri rigitanyo kunyihia thogora wa maguta bururi-ini ucio na muthia undu uyu gatanyo kurehe kigunio na guku bururi-ini.
The issue of this drill thing because ultimately if that results in lower fuel prices, then it's also possible that that will contribute to lower inflation in the US and also lower global inflation.
We are waiting and watching to see how things will evolve and studying, and as that when necessary, then we can be able to take a position and be able to communicate accordingly.
Ona kuri uguo ruhonge rwa KIGINA ni rwaniriirie guthengia indo inya hari itarire indo iria cia bata iria ihuthikaga hari gukinyaniria ithabu ria ngarama ya muturire bururi-ini iria ni hamwe na mathogora ma mutu wa ngima, omena, thogora wa ukui wa ngari cia muingi, undu umwe na thogora wa thabari cia ndege cia guku bururi-ini.
We are still looking at inflation of all those items, so nothing is being lost. It's just that now, in terms of the refinement, we have a much better definition of core inflation.
Ciuria ciayumiria makiria hari kweherio kwa mutu wa ngima itari-ini riri kuria thirikari eteteire ikiuga ikinya riri ni kuringana na uiguithanio wa ngwataniro ya mabururi ma gitaro kia Afrika irathere ya EAC. Kuna indo iria ciothe cieheretio ni igumagirwo ni morito matangitanyika kuria muthia ithararagia ngarama ya muturire na ikiro cia iguru.
We are dealing with perception and data. Getting the four out was statistically done based on data over a period of time. And that's what the technical team did to really get to a point where they said, for our case, this one would change very abruptly. It's volatile.
Hadi nyaka TV retora kwa ni bataru wa MWIHOKO.